Hello, it's Jessica, teacher. Let's make an apron together. Say it with me. Let's make an apron together. We need an apron. Say it with me 2 times. We need an apron. We need an apron. And some markers. Say it with me 2 times. Some markers. Some markers. What shape is this apron? Is it a square? No, it's a rectangle. Say it with me 2 times. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. Let's write our names. What color marker should I use? I like blue and green. Say it with me 2 times. I like blue and green. I like blue and green. What colors do you like? Any colors are okay. What shape do you like? I like hearts. Say it with me 2 times. I like hearts. I like hearts. Let's draw a pink heart. Ooh, that looks so pretty. What's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is strawberries. Say it with me 2 times. My favorite fruit is strawberries. My favorite fruit is strawberries. How about you? Apples? Oranges? Bananas? Nice. Let's draw more shapes. Okay, I like, squiggly lines. Repeat, please. I like squiggly lines. I like squiggly lines. How about vegetables? What's your favorite vegetable? My favorite vegetable is potatoes. I like potatoes. Let's say it together 2 times. I like potatoes. I like potatoes. How about you? Cucumbers? Carrots? Broccoli? Nice. Let's draw a drink. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is coffee. How about you? Milk? Orange juice? Apple juice? Nice! I'm hungry. I know. Let's draw a sandwich. That looks perfect. Are we done? No, not yet. I'm going to draw more cute little things on my apron. Wow, it's so cute. Aw, I really like my apron a lot. Did you enjoy making your apron today? I did. See you soon, everyone. Bye.